This is the network of networks. It is the largest network on this planet. It connects all WANs and can have connections to LANs at home networks as well. Present day internet is widely implemented using IPv4 because of shortage of address spaces. It is gradually migrating from IPv4 to IPv6. We will discuss about IPv4 and IPv6 in detail in later modules. Now let's see about what a personal area network looks like. Smallest network covers up to an area of 10 meters and it includes wireless or Bluetooth enabled devices. For example, SHAREit creates a Wi-Fi enabled PAN network used to share data among PCs and mobile phones as shown in the diagram below. And now let's see what is the local area network or the LAN. LAN is a devices network that connect with each other. It's spanned inside a small area and operated using single administrative system. Usually it covers the organization's offices, schools, colleges or universities. LAN can be wired or wireless or both in forms at once. We will see LAN in detail in the later modules. Now let's learn about the WAN or the Wide Area Network. It covers wide area which may cross provinces and even a whole country. Generally, telecom networks are wide area networks. It provides connectivity to PAN and LAN. It may be managed by multiple administrations. WAN may use advanced technologies such as ATM, frame relay, synchronous optical network. Now let's learn about wired network. A wired network connects devices to internet or other network using cables. The most common wired networks use cables connected to Ethernet ports on the network router or one end of the computer to the other device in the opposite end. Now we'll see about wireless networks. It is the fastest growing segment of computer. It uses radio waves to connect devices and its benefits are convenience. Access your network resources from anywhere within your Wi-Fi coverage area. Easy to set up. You don't have to string cables, so installation can be quick and cost effective. It's expandable. You can easily expand wireless networks with existing equipment, which is wired network might require additional wiring. Security. Advance in wireless networks provides robust security protections. Now let's talk about the cost. Because wireless networks eliminate or reduce wiring costs, they can cost less than wired networks.